All right, now after I get the videos to sell the thing in my funnel, whatever business you're in, now I've got to plug them in to a funnel, okay? So back in the day, what we would do is we'd take these assets, and then I'd have a meeting with my team. And we'd have designers and programmers and webmasters and analytics people, all sorts of stuff, and it was a huge pain in the butt. I'd tell them all the stuff, I'd give them the videos, and they'd go and they'd spend the next 2 or 3 months building out a sales funnel, okay? And that's how business was for me for the first 10 years of my career. It took forever, okay? But I'm here today to talk to you guys about a new way, a better way, through a tool that we've created called ClickFunnels. Now, obviously, I'm kind of obsessed with ClickFunnels, and I don't want you guys to think I'm biased, so I got a really quick video I want to show from one of my friends, Garrett J. White, who actually transitioned all 4 of his companies over to ClickFunnels, and I want you to hear in his own words what he said and why he made the transition.
Hello, my name is Garrett J. White, the Master Coach Mentor and founder of Wake Up Warrior Academy, and I will tell you this right now. We have tested with platforms. We have tested everything. I have attempted for the past 6 years to use every available software tool I could find that made it simpler for me to share my message. And it started with WordPress, and then it went plugins, and then Optimized Press, and then we went to Kajabi, and then we went to Lead Pages. And these are all wonderful. Know the owners of these guys, they're fantastic. The software tools are amazing. When ClickFunnels came out, I was like, dude, I cannot handle another software tool. I don't give a shit. We're just gonna manage our stuff between Lead Pages and Kajabi. And then my friend said, just test it, just try it out. And I went to ClickFunnels, and no bullshit. Like, every software increment over the last 5 years has been not a quantum shift in what you can do with the tool to get your message out to the marketplace. They've been incremental. So like, there's been a move from Kajabi to Lead Pages, or from Optimized Press to Kajabi, and they were these segmented steps that had slight improvements that made it easier. ClickFunnels, though, came out of nowhere. They took the marketplace by storm, just like Apple did when they first launched the iPhone. It was not a linear move anymore. It was a quantum move in improvement that'll open up a gap to allow people just like you watching this, people just like you and me, who are not technically savvy. We weren't born in the matrix, and we didn't have a chip implanted in our heads. We're not engineers or computer science majors, and we don't understand that stuff inherently. ClickFunnels gave you, my friend, an opportunity to cut and decrease the time of stress and anxiety and suffering behind a keyboard. Trust me, the days you want to just pound vodka and throw your Mac out the window because you can't figure shit out, ClickFunnels has brought it to a place that it is a quantum leap, an opportunity which allows you, just like the iPhone, to not only look smarter, but to feel smarter, and ultimately to only deal with the stuff that matters, which is getting your message about your product and your program and service out to the marketplace.
How many of you guys think that ClickFunnels has the most amazing customer support?
If you're spending all the time in suicide watch and having to check yourself into a hospital, and honestly trying to deal with everything else that's come out before it. So I not only fully endorse ClickFunnels, it's the only software tool that we use. When it comes to our funnels online across all 4 of my businesses, we're not going anywhere else. Love Russell, love this event. This event married up to that software tool. You are a dumbass if you don't come, and that's okay. There's plenty of dumbasses on the planet. Just don't let it be you.
All right, so the question I get from a lot of people is like, well, Russell, is this gonna work for my business? I don't know if ClickFunnels is gonna work for my business. My business is different. I get it every single time, and I always smile, and I say, well, this only works for businesses that are trying to either generate leads or sell products. So as long as you're trying to generate leads or sell products, ClickFunnels is gonna work for your business, okay? Now what that means, inside a ClickFunnels account, you're gonna be able to build all types of funnels. You can build opt-in funnels to build lists. You have sales funnels. You've got webinar funnels. You got auto-webinar funnels, product launch funnels, membership funnels. You have funnels to generate leads, funnels to sell your products, like as many funnels as you want, okay? That's the exciting part. The second part that's exciting is that when you get your ClickFunnels account, you're also gonna be able to get rid of a lot of things. In fact, our average ClickFunnels member right now saves over $1,000 a month the second they start using it, because of all the stuff they can get rid of. Okay, here's some of the things you can get rid of the second you start using ClickFunnels. You can get rid of your landing page software. You can get rid of your split testing software. You can get rid of your shopping cart. You can get rid of your email autoresponders. You can get rid of your text message autoresponders. You can get rid of your automated webinar software. You can get rid of your affiliate software. You can cancel your membership site software. You can get rid of Photoshop. You can delete WordPress. You can get rid of your website hosting. You can fire your programmers, fire your designers, fire your webmasters, and a whole bunch more. Yeah. Those programmers, they just want to handcuff you. You can break it free. I was hanging out with Gene Graciosi, did $200 million selling real estate training. I was hanging out with him 2 days ago. He said we went from having a tech team of 8 people to 0 programmers now because of ClickFunnels. Saves them hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, okay?